guys, what is up? And today, we have
Why can't you just put it
a new FNAF set.
No, put it right here.
It's based on FNAF 2. It's really amazing.
And now, if you want us to do a Minecraft series of the new Minecraft, okay, we will do
With buddies. Alright, so we're gonna show you what it is. I can stay, right? Okay, can y'all see me? Good, because we got the new Five Nights at Freddy's the toy stage.
And I'm also gonna unbox something with him, so
Yeah,
my phone kind of died.
Look at this. This is so dope, though. We got toy barn. Okay, on the back, you see, we got toy Bonnie, toy Freddy with his eyes closed. That's kind of creepy. And toy Chica. I noticed that this is a very better version because you can see they look more animatronic-ish. More animatronic hands. I still kind of hate the Bonnie because you just attach him to his belly. Why can't you just put it on his hand? McFarlen, please think before you make your Lego toys. And you can see that we got new sets like this one is very cool. Look at this. With the Golden Freddy and all the plushies on basically The Office with cameras. And then be quiet.
No, I'm just gonna tell him the only ones we had.
That we only had
last year were the FNAF 2, the FNAF, this one, FNAF 2, and these ones. These are the only These were the only ones that we had, so
yeah, but this one is a way better version. 10 times better. And you can see the other sets like this one and this one. And then we got the old ones, The Office, Pirate Cove, Backstage, and the show stage. And you can see that it has the vending machine right here, if I can. Look at this. And then look at this. We got Toy Bonnie on the side. This. I think that's how you use it. You don't use the left. There's a golden cupcake and everything else. Yeah, I thought this was a nice touch. Celebrate fun and all the characters. But I have actually got this at GameStop. Yeah. So I'm just gonna open it right away. There's tape on the top. What? Huh? And at least grab it so that it has time to cool down. I think we have to hit that switch on that generator. How do I get this out? The key card. Is that right? If I go, yeah, okay. So the key card is frozen inside of there, and the neighbor's sleeping. Where's he sleeping? Oh man, this is creepy. Is he in his bed? Oh, he's totally. Oh, whoa! Did you see his head? Okay, we got off the tape. I don't know if I like that. That was very. Let us go and open this without further ado. Look at this. Open this. You guys get to take the first peek if I can even open it. Okay, what's in here? But our primary mission right now is to get the crowbar. So we have to go upstairs. What's in there, okay? Let me know in the comments. Because I'm looking. The first thing you always got to take up before you do it, the instruction manual. If we were hiding underneath the cabinet here, that's awesome. All right. That's a lot of stuff. We got the sticker pack. Yeah, we got. I'm supposing the front. Yeah. That stinks. Okay. We're gonna have to figure out a way to. No, I don't know. Yeah, and then we got the animatronics. We got Toy Bonnie right here. Alright, we need to get
I don't know. Yeah.
that. Messed it up. I messed it
I
up.
think this is the claw machine. Yeah. And then the rest are just boring.
Nope.
Oh my god, it comes with the plush Freddy. Oh my god.
I need to make this.
Yeah. We got, ooh, Toy Chica. Yeah. I'm unboxing it. And this. Yeah. Can I? You're probably wondering where's Toy Freddy. He's actually on the front of the box. I want to build Toy Chica. No. And no, this is my channel. Okay, please don't copyright me, YouTube.
So much easier.
I am having quite a struggle just opening it.
Alright, get across. No.
Can I see that? No. Okay. Oh my god! Daddy! Gracie, stop it.
Really squandered that opportunity.
So we're almost done opening him. Okay, so we got the beast down. Let's just eat that somewhere random. Yeah. We got this man right here. Toy Freddy. Let's take him out. He's always done it.
Oh, just keep running. Just keep running. So chasing us. Maybe you can't see the boxes.
I broke him. Oh no!
Let's try.
I broke.
We can do this.
I broke this
To
man.
the railing. Now we just need to
I think I caught that on camera.
Oh my.
I'm sorry guys for that very loud moment. I don't know how to.
There we go. There we go. All right.
I just broke him again.
No.
I will be back in probably a couple hours
The
because
neighbor's basement as a very,
this is very small.
tiny little man. It's going to be an interesting experiment here because
I got it.
really interesting
I got
to
it.
see
I'm back.
if we can get